Hey, Coach Greg here at Swell Training. Are you looking for some exercises to tone your arms without needing any equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells? Then I have 4 simple movements that will do just that. We'll get nice and toned arms, you'll feel amazing, we'll get our sweat on, and we'll have a great time. So let's get started. Alright, so we're doing 3 sets. First set I'll be more explaining and showing you these 4 simple movements, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking on my part, more doing on yours. So let's get started with our first movement. We're going to start right off the bat with some IYTs. This is a 3-phase exercise. I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment, so stand nice and tall. I like to have a slight bend on my back, straight back, core tight. We're going to reach our arms forward, and we're going to be doing 3 movements. We're going to be doing an I, a Y, and then a T, just like that. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Really reach forward, got that Y, and then we got that T. I like to keep my thumbs up to the ceiling. This just really helps me know where I'm pulling from, and we want our arms to be extended. We really want to reach. You're going to feel it in your shoulders, you're going to feel it in your triceps as well, just like that. So really forward, staying in this movement. You're going to feel it all up in your arms. After 30 seconds, your arms are going to be on fire, just like that. Let's do finish strong. Boom, great job. Next, we have some lateral pulses. Speaking about being on fire, these will do that for sure. So here we go. Stand up nice and tall, hands to your side, palms facing you. 3, 2, and 1. And we're just going to be focusing on almost like a T motion, just like this. But now our palms are facing down. The IYTs, our palms were sideways or neutral. Now we're going to be here and really stay within this pocket. You don't need to go super high or super low. You just want to fluctuate somewhere right here. You're going to feel it in your shoulders, and your triceps, and your arms. And the longer you keep your arms up, it means you have to fight gravity even more, and they're going to get oh so heavy before you even finish this. So here we go. Let's keep it going. 3, 2, 1, and release. Great job. But we're not done yet. These are simple movements for your arms. So your arms are going to be burning the whole time. We have some scissors. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Arms up in front, and we're just going to alternate which palm goes overhead. Just like that. Now you can do it these ways. You can do it this way, or you can do this way, whatever you feel comfortable with. Maybe one side, you're doing it this too long, my arm's getting tired, then switch it up. Helps trick your brain to thinking you're not, still working out. Couple more seconds. Again, you're gonna feel, these are like, you don't even need exercise. You don't even need equipment for these, and your arms are gonna be fatigued. Couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last, we got some tricep kickbacks. I like again to bend my knees slightly forward, elbows back in line with my back, and we're just going to focus on kicking back our arms. 3, 2, and 1. Normally you'd have dumbbells with this, but even the isometric squeeze at the top will make you feel this. Really our focus, we don't want to be over here because then you're getting energy and power from your shoulders, so we just want it back. And then boom, we're just trying to see how many times we can pump them back. You can feel it all up in your triceps. Couple more seconds. Doing amazing. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, my arms already tired. But hey, we got 2 more sets to go. Grab some water. Like I said, these are super simple, but they are so effective. Alrighty, you know what you're doing. Let's shake out our arms. Let's get started with set number 2 right now. IYTs in 3, 2, and 1. Lateral pulses, 3, 2, and 1. Scissor arms, 3, 2, and 1. Tricep kickback in 3, 2, and 1. Great job, that was your second set done. Water time. And let's finish strong with this last set. Alright, you know exactly what you're doing, just these 4 movements. Here we go, 3, 2, let's go. IYTs in 3, 2, and 1. Lateral pulses, 3, 2, and 1. Scissor arms, 3, 2, and 1. Tricep kickback in 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. That was your 4 simple movements for toned arms. Hope you loved it as much as I did. And if you did, go ahead and click the notification bell. Stay on top of any new videos dropping. I am Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.